Especially we think all the negative things in our daily life. There are so many negative words, negative phrases in our mind. So what is the result for that? There are so many bad results for that. That's why we can't speak English. Sometimes our motivation disgrace and we undermine our confidence all the time. So what we shouldn't say, never ever what we shouldn't say in our life. And today I will share with you some amazing that kind of phrases that we shouldn't say in our daily life. So well, this is Arif and welcome back to my natural studio. So let's start. So at the first time, you shouldn't say my English is very bad. When I go different kind of places, I listen these words all the time. The students, the people, the teacher, the trainer, there are so many people, a lot of people, a number of people are saying my English is bad. I can't say English properly. My English is bad. I have to improve myself. So when you say these words, when you say these phrases, in that time, in this moment, you undermine yourself. You don't believe yourself in this moment. And your confidence undermined in this particular moment. So also you say that my English is very bad and I can't say English. People are saying English very quickly, fluently, but I can't say English. I'm trying to for so many days, but I can't say my English is very bad. Bro, how I will learn English? You are feeling this problem. So from today, instead of saying my English is very bad, you can say, still now I'm learning English. This is the positive words. When the people ask you, what are you doing? Your English is very bad. So don't you want to improve yourself? Why don't you try yourself all the time in your reading room? You can go different kind of teacher and also you can improve your English, right? This kind of comment are available. You will feel this kind of comment. I get this kind of comment in my daily life and they will advise you all the time. They will not give you the solution. The right suggestion they will not give you. Just they will say your English is bad. And believing themselves, you will try to say that, yeah, my English is very bad. You don't believe yourself. Why? So instead of saying my English is very bad from now on, you can say, still now I'm learning English. I think this will be the perfect answer for you. And try to think positive all the time. And I told you different kind of action you have to do for learning English. When you will feel very bad in this particular moment, you can say, or you can do different kind of action. Yes, I can do it. Yes, this is too much possible for me. So everybody can learn English. Everybody can say English. Everybody do that. So why I don't say? Why I will not say this is too much possible for me? I can believe themselves. I can believe themselves worse. I believe myself. I believe myself. Brother, I'm saying this word right now. Believe yourself. Just believe yourself. Then you'll be able to speak English. You have to try. Okay, this is so much possible for you. So don't say my English is very bad. From today, you can say, still now on, I'm learning English. Still now, I'm learning English. I think this will be the perfect answer for you and you will feel good energy. You will feel so much confidence in your body. Okay. And also you have to do some positive action that I told you before. So if you didn't see, so go to my YouTube channel and there are so many different kind of videos available. What action you have to do for being positive, for being good, healthy, for being your better mind. So okay, that's why I told you this kind of things. I thought, yeah, I should say this kind of things front of the camera. That's why I came. So if you think, yeah, this is too much positive things for you and this is so much helpful for you, so never ever forget to subscribe and also hit the like button as well. I'll see you very soon with another video. Have a nice day.